Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Minecraft multiplayer not working or it's disabled. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open a browser, then go to Microsoft.com and log into your account where you play Minecraft, right? For me it's this account and login button will be on the top right, of course. Then you need to go to privacy. Then you need to scroll down until you see Xbox. Then here we need to look for Xbox and Windows 10 device online safety and basically make all the options to allow, because as you can see here, there is some options that says you can join multiplayer games, and if it's blocked, obviously you cannot do so as well. So what I like to do here is you can of course read it out everything here and then you can allow or block it, but I'll do everything on allow. Then go to privacy here and also make sure it's not blocked, it's on everyone or on friends. And then you just need to save and submit all the changes here and then restart your Minecraft and then look if you're getting multiplayer or not. So guys, if this did not work, go to installed apps. Installed apps, then we need to look for Minecraft launcher. Minecraft launcher, press on the three dots and uninstall. Then press on run, on search, just write run. Then write %update and look for that Minecraft folder. So what I suggest to do here is to just back up on you, maybe on your desktop, just copy and paste folder on your desktop. So you'll have a backup because we need to delete this folder. Also, you can all your saves, all your worlds will be gone. So what I suggest to do here is to back up all folder.minecraft, or you can just go to saves here and back up all your worlds here. And then simply once you back up everything here, what you need, just press on .minecraft and delete the folder here. And then what you need to do here next is to go to Minecraft launcher or go to Xbox app and install Minecraft launcher again, and it should fix your problem. So yeah, that's basically it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.